Morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Oh, ang laki ng ferry boat, oh.
Ba't tayo nandito, boss? Ang gagawin natin?
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Tabaco Port kasi tayo ay tatawid ulit to Catanduanes. This is the third time na magtatawid tayo ng sasakyan to Catanduanes at magde-deliver.
Pero ang second,
ng Tabaco Port.
hanggang dito lang sa port. Kinuha na.
Anyway, samahan nyo kami ngayon. Tatawid tayo to Catanduanes. Mamasyal tayo. Tara.
February na 17, pag-ipunan po salamat sa naging bahay ng sa araw na ito. Maraming salamat po.
Heads down. The
Heads
second time around, here we are at San Andres, Catanduanes. Dire-diretso ng biyahe natin. Siguro mga 30 minutes pa, no? Papuntang Virac.
Sana.
Kaya naman.
Gutom na.
Mag-almusal muna tayo.
Pwede na namin sa malapit-lapit. Ay, gutom din ka mo.
Hindi, baka may drive-thru lang. Kung may drive-thru lang, ang Catanduanes, so parang ano lang din, no? Pag bumaba ka sa Masbate, na-imagine mo rin ng
Old houses.
ewan ko kung alin yung mas malaki. Yung Catanduanes ba yung Masbate?
Masbate.
Masbate. Sa population and sa land.
Sa island.
Pero mas marami yatang mayayaman dito, no? Kumpara sa
Maraming
Masbate.
farm.
Marami pang marami pang magaganda. May katabi ako kanina, ang ganda. Tapos tulog, naglalaway.
Hindi kaya mag-ride again.
Okay, here we go again. Preparation for our nose to bleed again. Hi sir, good morning.
Good morning, sir!
He's very pleased.
Okay.
Pasok na dito.
Okay.
Hindi naman siya resort. Dito lang. Oh, ready na pala ang parking. Patras mo na siguro.
Patras ko na.
Or baka i-check pa?
Awak mo siguro pa kanya.
Oh,
Dito mo na. Wag mo na muna i-park.
Maski ako, kapag bagong bakal ng sakyan, di kayo ni park. Gamitin ko tulad yun.
we can park or be here?
Huh?
We can park there or we can...
I can try to park it in the garage.
Yes.
Okay.
Because it's exact place.
Yes, sir.
Hello
Ganito
sir,
yan.
finally.
Good morning, ma'am. Excited na si sir.
I joke last time I did the garage. You know, it's too small because I'm going to buy a train.
But I think it will be correct.
Yeah. I'm going to try to drive it in. I try. Then behind it.
Okay, so first drive of the new owner.
Okay.
Baka ko na lang mamaya ang gamit ka. Ay, sakto ho nun.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
May space pa, magalaw-galaw.
Nice.
Okay.
This is really for Montero.
It's one more there.
Sukat na sukat.
Anyway, I'll just get the document.
Yeah. How many own like this?
You're the second owner.
Okay. Definitely it's the second hand.
Okay.
Nice.
Oh, he's our engine. Tapos, latest registration na rin po siya, ma'am. So, next registration will be on April 2026.
And next year.
Next year.
And here's the TPL. It's only TPL, sir. Not comprehensive insurance.
What's that mean?
The TPL is, actually, this is the
My insurance. Okay.
Yeah. Also the original of this.
This one, no, it's original, ma'am.
Oh yeah, it's original. Oh
Yes.
okay. Parang Xerox lang siya, no?
Yeah. No, but you can
Yeah.
take a series of that, so you have in case.
So,
Oh, yes. Better po if we duplicate this one para meron po kayo sa akin.
Yeah. So,
Yeah, you have a 500 in your car, you can keep it.
Yes! I forgot.
What's our lunch for today? This is nanini? Chop suey.
May rice din ba kayo, ma'am, sa Norway? Basta jam tayo.
Norwegian rice. Ano boss? Na-miss mo to? Every delivery ibang kasama. May bagong recruit. Okay po. Thank you so much. So dito na kita.
See you po.
Hi sir, so how's your visit in Catanduanes?
And
Bakasyonista
so
lang yan.
we're done. Thank you very much, and it's a very nice experience again. Very nice to visit Catanduanes again. At ngayon, pabalik na kami and we are going back to San Andres Port. Nabusog kami.
Super.
Thank you very much sa lunch. Pabalik kami ngayon sa San Andres Port at wala na kaming sasakyan, pero meron kaming iniwan kasi sa Tabaco Port, kaya doon kami. Nice. And thank you very much sa ating rental driver. Sir, company kayo, sir? Company kayo?
Sir, schedulista.
Okay.
Yan o.
Tingin nga ako. So if you are going to visit Catanduanes also, may mga car rental din dito for your transport services para mas madali yung pag-ikot nyo ng Catanduanes. So ito, actually tinawagan ko lang to kanina kasi yun nga, malayo kami sa Virac. So parang walang masasakyan dito. Anyway, nag-offer din sana kasi sila, ma'am, pero sabi ko wag na kasi nakakaya naman. So yun lang. Thank you very much and we're going home. Have a nice day and keep safe, everyone.